Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, updated teams, and camera access. Once done, join or open a meeting window and click More Actions, the 3 dots. You want to apply background effects now. This opens the background panel on the right. Make sure to scan the built-in thumbnails and the Upload New Image button. You're taking the first actionable step to replace your current camera feed background rather than fiddling with settings later, so do this early to avoid interruptions. Now you'll choose or add a background. You can pick blur for instant privacy or a built-in scene for consistency. If you upload, use a 16:9 PNG or JPG under 4 MB so Teams scales it properly. Once uploaded, click Preview to check how you look, adjust distance and lighting if necessary. Make small changes and preview again so the background doesn't cut off your head or create visual artifacts. This ensures a professional, stable virtual background during your meeting. Finish by clicking Apply to commit the background and resume the meeting. You should test quickly, either ask a colleague or record a short clip to confirm lighting, edges, and motion look natural. If the background jitters or parts of you disappear, make sure Teams is updated and restart the app. Also try toggling GPU hardware acceleration in settings or switch to a different camera. One key tip: poor lighting causes most problems. Improve front lighting before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.